Smart TVs and VCRs use completely different connection types, creating a compatibility problem that many people face when trying to watch their old VHS tapes. VCRs use analog outputs, specifically RCA connections with the familiar red, white, and yellow cables for audio and video signals. These RCA cables carry separate analog signals, yellow for video, red for right audio, and white for left audio. Modern smart TVs, however, are designed for digital connections and primarily use HDMI ports for high-quality digital signals. This creates an incompatibility problem. The analog RCA outputs from VCRs cannot directly connect to the digital HDMI inputs on smart TVs. Fortunately, there are several solutions to bridge this gap between analog and digital connections. The first solution is using a coaxial cable if both your VCR and smart TV have coaxial inputs. This connects directly but may require channel scanning. However, the best and most reliable solution is using an RCA to HDMI converter. This converter takes the analog RCA signals from your VCR and converts them into a digital HDMI signal that any smart TV can understand and display. With the right adapter or converter, you can easily connect your VCR to any modern smart TV and enjoy your collection of VHS tapes. The most common way to connect your VCR to a smart TV is using an RCA to HDMI converter. Here's the step-by-step process. Connect these RCA outputs from your VCR to the corresponding inputs on the RCA to HDMI converter. Match the colors, yellow to yellow, red to red, and white to white. Step 2. Connect the HDMI cable from the converter's output to an available HDMI port on your smart TV. Step 3. Turn on both your VCR and TV, then select the correct HDMI input on your TV using your remote control. Alternative method. If your smart TV has composite inputs, you can connect the RCA cables directly without a converter. Important: VHS quality won't look great on modern TVs. The video will appear as a small 4:3 box on your widescreen display, and the picture quality will be noticeably lower than modern content. While converters will upscale the signal to fit your TV's resolution, they cannot magically improve the original picture quality. The video will still have the characteristic softness and lower resolution of VHS tapes. Following these steps will successfully connect your VCR to your smart TV. Remember to be patient with the video quality. It's a limitation of the VHS format, not your connection setup.